This is so cool, but
Something is burning my hair. Can't you see? I'm not okay with this grey color hair of my hair. Jake, I've disappeared.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Ha baby, sinani lately shkundi muj spam edhe dhe I treti Sanet po ndrojnë të më koni njeti Po është jam ama jo bashiketi
What are you doing?
I don't even know who I'm having this meeting with.
Dude, please,
You're like
why am I not?
invisible. Why are you disappearing? What's up, guys? It's Jay Slani back again with another video. This time we have Master Stuff after so long, the Malvika Satlane.
Hi guys,
After
what's
so
up?
long, and we meet on Zoom. We've blurred the background here because my brother is in his kachas and his Benji, and it's not that pleasant because his eyes are going to be full.
And he refuses to move for some reason.
Yeah, he just doesn't want to move. So
Oh god.
we have a few quizzes that I found. I found 3 mini quizzes, okay, that we have to do. Even though we suck at Bollywood quizzes, I mean, we both are gonna get like really bad scores. I don't know how to keep the score, so we'll see how to do that. This is a BuzzFeed quiz. Quiz number 1. This is the easiest quiz you'll ever take if you are a Bollywood lover.
Wait. I have questions before we start. What is the point system and who's winning this? Because if there's no point system, what is the point of playing? Get my point?
Are you comedy me?
Very funny, very very funny. What is the name of Shole's icon villain?
Gabbar. Hey, wait, is it Gabbar Singh?
Yeah, that though even a kid knows. Come on. What is Bulla? Who directed Dil Chahta Hai? Zoya Akhtar.
Akhtar.
Farhan Akhtar.
Oh.
Zoya Akhtar. We both don't get a point for this. I really thought it was Zoya Akhtar. Okay.
Before Farhan became an actor, I think he was a director. So
Which city does Rani visit when she goes on her solo honeymoon in Queen?
Paris.
I think Paris and London.
London. London ki chawad.
Paris and
Paris.
Amsterdam. We suck.
Dude, that song is in a London that tum nahi kya tha wo?
Yeah, but yeah, that's what I thought. It's Paris and London because of that song.
No, it's Paris mein gayi thi. No, it's Paris mein gayi thi.
In Om Shanti Om, what does Deepika Padukone character Shanti Priya do? Actress.
I said it first.
You said it first.
I don't even have to see the option.
What is the name of the lead female character in DDLJ? Simran.
Simran. Shut up. I get it.
Sim. Which movie is this groundbreaking line from? Teja, main hu, Mark idhar hai.
Hera Fairy. Teja, main hu. Oh shit.
Teja, main hu, Mark
Either
idhar hai.
Hera Fairy or Andaz Apna, but I'm gonna say Hera Fairy.
Okay. I'm gonna say Maine Pyar Kiya.
Oh shit! No!
Even you don't get a point. In Karthik calling Karthik, who was actually calling Karthik?
Karthik.
Chal, this
Okay,
we
both
both
of us get a point. Finish the quote from Diwar. मेरे पास
माँ है.
पैसा है.
क्या बोला तूने?
माँ है.
पैसा है.
माँ है.
Nobody says ना मेरे पास पैसा है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है.
No, in the end he says ना मेरे पास माँ.
हाँ है.
Okay, in
Okay.
3 Idiots, what is Rancho's real name?
Ranchod da Shamta Chanchal.
चुप बिल्कुल चुप
Oh, Funsuk Wangdu.
That was obvious. We just got too excited.
I got too excited. We're not paying attention.
Because in the end, it's Funsuk Wangdu. In Chak De, India, how many times, according to coach Kabir Khan, does the team have?
70 minute की something है. 70 minute. 70.
50 minute की.
70.
30 minute.
70
They all
minute.
sound right.
70 minute, dude.
पक्का.
70
लॉक किया जाए.
लॉक किया जाए.
ओके कंप्यूटर जी 2 करोड़ रुपए के लिए लॉक किया जाए.
हम बड़ी उम्मीद लगाए थे इन दोनों के ऊपर 7 करोड़
सही जवाब. ओके इन जब वी मेट
what is the name of the
first love?
Anshuman.
That तो
I know this. Go down. Which movie is this still from?
Doom.
Boom. Okay, you got it. You said it first.
Just before we go ahead with the second quiz, we have to thank our sponsors for today. The sponsor for today is Mamaearth. This product is an Upton Ultralight Gel, which is an oil-free moisturizer with turmeric and saffron. And this is a vitamin C Ultralight Gel, which is an oil-free moisturizer as well with vitamin C and aloe vera water. Look, to be honest, I suffer with dry skin. Like if I do this, you can see the mark. Can you see that mark? Just like how my skin needs hydration to stay healthy and firm, I bet your skin also needs it too. And the worst part is sometimes during summers when I put lotions, it can get so like heavy and sticky. Like once I'm out of the shower and I'm feeling hot and I put lotion, I just feel really sticky. That's why Mamaearth has gone ahead and made these ultralight gels for us. This vitamin C can take out the dullness that comes on our skin sometimes, and this aloe vera water that's there in this product can give you this cool sensation right after you apply it on your skin. Now there are two ways you can use it. You can apply it in the day and let your skin be hydrated throughout the day, or you can apply it at night and just let your skin repair while you sleep. And me, since I have dry skin, I'm gonna kind of do both. And the best part, this has no harmful chemicals, is free of toxins, parabens and mineral oil. Also, it's dermatologically tested too. As you know, the two ingredients in this is vitamin C and aloe vera water. Now, what do these two do to our skin, man? The vitamin C in this fights sun damage and also gives radiance to the skin, helps in soothing and firming the skin, and also helps in regeneration of the skin cells. It also brightens and helps you achieve an even skin tone. Not only that, but it also neutralizes the pigmentation that can come on our skin. And number two is the aloe vera water. Aloe vera is so good for the skin. Even if you Google it, or even if you ask your mom or your parents or whoever you know is really good at skincare, they'll tell you. It's incredibly soothing, it's a powerful antioxidant and also hydrates your skin. Aloe vera is a powerful antioxidant and hydrates and nourishes your skin. Once you open the box, this is how it looks. Mamaearth believes that goodness lies in the little choices and actions that we take, and they've also been taking good choices in their business as well. They had recently released a report card on Earth Day. If you don't believe me, you can check it out. The link is in the description box below. It clearly shows the impacts of these choices that they're taking. 1 million trees has been planted, 1,135 metric tons of plastic has been recycled, and 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks has been distributed to all COVID heroes. Also, Mamaearth has their own app now. Everybody who wants to save some money and get early access to sales and extra discounts, the iOS and Android links are in the description box below. Check it out. All Mamaearth products are completely free of chemicals and made up of natural ingredients. Also, if you want to save some money and get 20% off at mamaearth.in, you can use my code JAKE21 and get 20% off any of these products. They're also available on Flipkart, Amazon, and on Mamaearth. You're welcome. Let's go back to our quiz, shall we?
Quiz number 2. If you can identify more than 10 out of 15 of these Bollywood movies, then you're definitely over 20.
Jake is 21, so that barely counts. Poor
Yeah.
thing. Can you identify these iconic 2000s Bollywood movie by just one frame? Yes, it is Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. I'm over
100%.
20.
I have no idea what movie this is.
Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. I'm clearly 28. This is like coming across.
I had no idea. I honestly thought that's a fake one.
Ajab Prem Ki Ghazal. Oh shit, it can be
I think this is
anything.
Wake Up Sid. But it could be also Bachna Hai Hasino.
Possibly, but I'm gonna go with Wake Up Sid. What about
I'm
Ajab?
gonna go with Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani.
Even I'm gonna go with Ajab. But one second, let me stare at it 1 second. This Ajab Prem Ki Ghazab. Shit. Wait, go down. Let me stare. Okay, it's Ajab Prem. Yeah, Ajab Prem Ki Ghazab Kahani.
Okay, even I think it's that only. Oh, it's
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
I was really thinking his haircut is a little off.
Bro, I sort of had a gut feeling, but then I thought that I've never seen him wear that shirt in Wake Up Sid.
Yeah, me too.
We need to watch more Bollywood movies. Okay, which one is this?
Rang De Basanti. No. Namaste London.
Namaste London.
Namaste London.
So you said it first. I know his face because he steals his girl, right? Okay.
Tare Zameen Par. Wait, huh?
I think it's Dil Chahta Hai.
Okay, I think it's Tare Zameen Par. I don't remember seeing this
Pakka.
in. Oh, wait. Yeah, Pakka. Tare Zameen Par.
Shit. Nice. Not bad, you got 3.
Oh! But these movies are like when you were really tiny. You were like 5, 6.
I was like his age.
Yeah, you were. Veer Zara.
He's Zara. Okay, we both got a point for that.
Jake, excuse me. It's whoever says it first.
Manicom. I'm not sure actually. I think it's Chak De India also.
Who the hell
This
is
looks
that?
like it's a Manicom, but Manicom wouldn't wear a helmet when she's boxing.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Yeah, Chak De India, it's possible. Chak De India.
It's
fine.
definitely not Dangal.
Chak De India.
Yeah, I think it's Chak De.
The helmet.
बार बार देखो.
आप सचमुच अंधे हैं?
Can't you see? I can't see.
I think it's Kapoor and Sons.
No, it's not Kapoor and Sons. It is Bar Bar Dekho. Yep. Who is
Paka.
that chick? No, who is that chick?
I'm telling you, I think it looks like it's a Kapoor and Sons.
No,
I've
I'm
not even
going
seen
with
both movies, by the way. I just know it by the name.
Okay, chal, I'll just wing it.
I don't know why I have a gut feeling it's Kapoor and Sons.
Because Hasi To Fasi Mein it was Parineeti Chopra. So she's not here. I don't know who this girl is. So
Okay, so
chal,
Bye Bye देखो.
Yeah.
I don't believe this. Oh God, we don't get a point for this.
Oh my.
Oh, this I definitely don't know, but I'm gonna wing it saying Sarkar.
Lakshya.
I think it's Sarkar.
Lakshya.
Okay.
Oh, it could be Diwar also. No, it's Laksh. Yeah. Okay, Laksh.
Lakshya.
Yeah.
Bol Bachchan. No. Bunty or Babli.
Guru.
I think it's
Yeah.
Bunty or Babli.
No, I'm saying Bluff Master.
I think it's 100% not Bluff Master, bro. I know that much for sure.
Okay, chal, I'm saying Bluff Master.
I'm saying Bunty or Babli.
Bluff Master, Bluff Master, Bluff. Oh, shit.
Hey, this guy. This creepy killer. I think it's No One Killed Jessica. No, it's Kahani.
Jagga Jasoos. What if it's Talwar? Then no one's even saying Talwar.
I think it's Kahani. Yeah. See, I knew it.
Oh. Baji Ram.
Golio ki Rasila Ramleela.
Oh. He'd been in all three movies, dude.
Yeah, that's what. All of the three movies, he has the same facial hair.
I'm taking Baji Ram Mastani.
Okay, I'm taking Golio ki Rasila Ramleela.
Okay.
Brother coming close to Sesta.
They're so hot together, yeah.
Gajni, bro.
Rajni,
Oh,
Gajni, but
Gajni. This was too obvious.
Bhagam Bhag.
I think it's Hera Pheri. No, it's Welcome. Because I don't remember seeing the scene in either Bhagam Bhag nor in Oh My God. The only movie I've not seen is Welcome, and I don't know the scene. So I think it's Welcome.
Yeah, then I don't know this scene, you're right.
I
Yeah,
think
it's possible it's Welcome. Wait. What is the scene? I'll say Bhagam Bhag just for... No, wait, fuck it. Yeah, this is not... Yeah. See, his glasses are not soda bottle.
Yeah, see?
Ah,
Both get a point for that. I'm one away, huh? I'm just saying.
Udta Punjab.
So, Kamine, I think it's Kamine.
Oh, it's Kamini, you're right. Oh.
It's Kamine. Ooh, it's Udta Punjab. You got it right. Bro, I thought
I
it's
got
Kamine.
If I got wrong in a Shahid Kapoor movie, okay, look, it was very tough, okay, that scene. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
I don't even know what that is. That a parrot?
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. If I get this right, I'm
That's a parrot, right?
It's either Viva or मैं, but I'm going to say मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
I've not seen all 4 movies, so I don't know.
I'm so ancient if I get this right.
I don't know all 4 movies. Okay, which one are you going with?
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
Start करो
4-1. So you won clearly. That was
This
fun.
was a fun thing, but
We
it
need to
was
find more quizzes like this though.
it was unfair because like I've watched more videos than him, movies than him, so I would like.
And I wasn't
I
even
would-
born.
Yeah, you weren't even born. That's not fair. But
Anyway.
it was fun, I feel like, and a lot of you must have answered it also along with us. So
I'm
thank
pretty
you.
sure a
and
lot of them just commenting that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you think there's a quiz or anything that you want us to do on Zoom or react to, then let us know in the comment section below.
We want Jay to come, but what to do? Guys, please go spam go spam him on his Instagram. It's Jay Satlani.
girls, please. The single pretty girls.
Okay, single pretty girls, all of you, please go and like tell him to come on our channel because I know you guys want to see him. He's so
Send him a DM and
mysterious.
tell him.
Yeah, I feel like Jay and Akhil both are so mysterious and not available on social media. Everybody wants them. I'm just like, this is so crazy.
That's true.
Thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please send us links to the quiz you want us to do, but only
Yeah.
links to nothing else that I don't want.
Only
to
the quizzes. And if there's
Yeah.
anything else that you want us to do on Zoom, let us know in the comment section below. See you guys.
Bye.